Good morning, y'all. Let's do a little skincare today. So, yeah, we got a lot we could choose from back in here. So let's pull out what we're going to use. This is a little Amore Pacific Enzyme peel. Mix that in with your cleanser. I'm gonna go with the Kate Somerville EradiKate Clarifying Acne Gel. Let me turn the light on. I am going to be good because normally, so we're gonna use the TLC Sakari Baby Facial. And I was told I'm supposed to use that only at night. Does it say that on here? Use once weekly, yep. Apply evenly to clean dry skin, yep. Leave on for 20 minutes, rinse thoroughly, lukewarm water, pat dry. It doesn't say use it at night. Whenever you want me, I need somebody you love me. Should do a little Biossance Glycolic Renewal Mask. One of these is for night only. Is it you? Nope. So we can use the fresh Elixir. We're gonna use our AHA BHA toner. If you stay forever. So here are the items we're gonna use for this skincare ritual we're gonna do this morning. These two together to cleanse the skin. Then we're gonna follow it up with the facial from Drunk Elephant along with the Squalane Glycolic Renewal Mask. And then we'll do our toner. We'll have a little serum. I need SPF. Let's do a little everyday lotion from Supergoop.
Grabbing a disposable facial sponge, I brought all the products into the bathroom. This is my first time using the Kate Somerville cleanser. It has a clear, thick consistency. Here I'm adding the Amore Pacific Enzyme Peel Powder to the cleanser. I'll mix it before applying it to my face. I'll massage this all over my face before reaching for the facial sponge, where I'll scrub my entire face under my chin and my lips. I rinse the suds from the facial sponge and begin to use the sponge to remove the cleanser from my face, continuously removing the suds from the sponge under running water. Now it's time for the baby facial. I squeeze one pump onto my hand and apply it directly onto clean, dry skin. I spread it evenly onto my face, avoiding lips, eyes, and without rubbing it in.
Try to avoid any open sores. I obviously did not. Those cuffs that Kyra wears makes a lot more sense now. And now we wait 20 minutes.
A damp washcloth, gently, and I do mean gently, remove the facial.
I never realized how much I wink my eyes when I wash my face. The pirate is alive in me.
I'm going in with the Biossance, Squalane, and Glycolic Renewal mask. This contains AHAs to minimize fine lines, discoloration, and the appearance of large pores. This was my first time using the mask, so I wasn't sure how much to squeeze out. I applied it directly onto my face, avoiding my lips.
So leave this on for 3 to 10 minutes. I think I want to go get my facial steamer and steam this. We are really doing too much. No, because if I do that, then I'm gonna want to pick out my pores. No.
I removed this mask from my face using a warm washcloth. I applied the damp washcloth onto my face to loosen up any possible dry patches in the efforts to avoid scratching my baby soft skin. Time to tone. Using my Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Poretight toner, pouring it onto a Shiseido cotton square, I applied the toner all over my face, swiping upwards and outwards. I'm trying the fresh Elixir Skin Resilient Activating Serum. It was a struggle to get the serum out of this eyedropper. The thoughts that went through my mind, this looks like, never mind. I vigorously, for no reason, rubbed this all over my face. Let's moisturize using Amore Pacific. This is that expensive stuff. And like red hot, I put this shit on everything. Last step, sunscreen. I'm trying to make a habit of using sunscreen daily. Today I'm using Supergoop Play Everyday Lotion.
So that was my skincare routine. Thanks for watching. Come back to see my world.